In a bid to ensure a worsening new year for Hamas, the Israeli Defense Forces on 31st December eliminated another Hamas commander. The Israel Defense Forces on Tuesday confirmed the killing of Hamas Nukba platoon commander, Abd al-Hadi Sabah, in a recent drone strike. The Nukba platoon commander in Hamas' Western Khan Yunis battalion was eliminated in the Khan Yunis area of southern Gaza.
Abd al-Hadi Sabah, a Nukba platoon commander in the Western Khan Yunis battalion, was eliminated in an intelligence-based IDF and ISA strike.
As per the Israeli army, the Nukba platoon commander in the Western Khan Yunis battalion had led the attack on Kibbutz Nir Ounce during 7th October 2023 massacre, which killed at least 1,200 Israelis and over 250 were held hostage by the Hamas. The Israeli military further vowed to continue its operation against the terrorists involved in 7th October hostilities.
Abd al-Hadi Sabah, who operated from a shelter in the humanitarian area in Khan Yunis, was one of the leaders of the infiltration into Kibbutz Nir Ounce during the murderous 7th October massacre. Sabah also led and advanced numerous terrorist attacks against IDF troops throughout the current war. The IDF and ISA will continue to operate against all of the terrorists who took part in the murderous 7th October massacre.
Earlier, former Hamas commander Yahya Sinwar, known as the Butcher of Khan Yunis and the face of evil, was slaughtered by the Israeli forces on 16th October. Recently, the Israeli Defense Forces reported that its units, working with Israel's General Security Service, Shin Bet, eliminated 14 Hamas terrorists. 6 of them participated in 7th October massacre. The operations were carried out as part of the IDF's 162nd Steel Division's ongoing activity in the Gaza Strip. The 162nd Division operated in the areas of Jabalia and Beit Lahia as part of the joint activity of the IDF and Shin Bet to locate and eliminate terrorists who took part in 7th October attack. The conflict has escalated further, with Houthi rebels from Yemen and Hezbollah from Lebanon, both considered Iran's proxies, intensifying their offensives against Israel, compelling Tel Aviv to engage in a multi-front war.